Hi, grade 9s. This is in Mathematics Resources in AC1. This is the next super summary for integers, exponents, and roots. When I'm done, there'll be a link here for the video. First thing we need to understand are what are integers. They are whole numbers that are positive, negative, and it includes 0. No decimals or fractions. Okay. We use this in real life to talk about temperature, altitudes, debt, and golf scores have negative numbers. And so we can go up and down, above and below 0 with these topics. And that is when it is useful to understand integers. We need to understand plus, minus, times, divide. Okay, starting at -5, adding 3, we end up at -2. Starting at 3 and subtracting -8, remember the space means multiply outside the left-hand side of the bracket. A minus times a minus is a plus, so this becomes 3 plus 8, which is 11. Multiplying and dividing, that thing that I did with love and hate. Yeah, a positive times a positive is a positive. The signs are the same, we get a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. The signs are the same, we get a positive. When the signs are different and we multiply or divide, this applies to division 2, then we get a negative. So -6 times -2 is a negative times a negative, gives us a positive. 2 times 6 is 12. Exponents or powers is a repeated multiplication of the base. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. Parts of the exponent, the base is the number at the bottom. The exponent or the power or the index, that is how many times we are multiplying the base by itself. Exponent laws, when we are multiplying and the bases are the same, we add their exponents. When we're dividing and the bases are the same, we subtract their exponents. If we have a bracket in between an exponent and another exponent, or we have a base, exponent, bracket, exponent, we multiply the exponents. And if any number has a 0 exponent, it equals 1. Roots, okay, this is very close to exponents. This is just to the power of 2 and the power of 3. But now we're going in reverse. So 3 times 3 is 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Going back to the roots of the square, where did this square come from? We put that, we ask ourselves, what times what gave us 9? What times itself gave us 9? Here are some examples of perfect squares. Ask yourself, what number did we multiply by itself to get 49? Cube roots, the number that multiplies to itself 3 times to give us the original number. So we've got 27, and we want to know the root of that cube. It's the cube root. It's 3 because we multiplied 3 to itself 3 times. That is the cube root. All right, here are the exponent laws that you need to know. We're going to go into them a bit deeper next week. Here is a Zulu translation, a Xhosa translation, and an Afrikaans translation. I hope that was helpful.